Hey guys, welcome back. If you're tired of uncomfortable nights while camping, then you need to take a look at the Naturehike Ultralight Camping Mattress. Designed for hikers, campers, and backpackers, this sleeping pad combines comfort, warmth, and portability in one lightweight package. One of the first things that stands out is its incredibly low weight. At only 720 grams, it's easy to carry in a backpack without adding unnecessary bulk, making it perfect for long hikes and outdoor adventures. Despite its lightweight design, comfort is impressive. When fully inflated, the mattress reaches a thickness of 8 centimeters, helping separate your body from the hard ground and providing better support for a more comfortable night's sleep. Another major advantage is the high R value of 4.6. This insulation rating helps reduce heat loss to the ground and improves warmth during cool nights, making it suitable for a variety of camping conditions throughout the year. The mattress uses a 5-layer thermal insulation design that helps retain body heat while remaining lightweight and compact. You can also adjust the firmness by adding or releasing air to match your personal comfort preference. Naturehike designed this pad for outdoor durability, but it's always recommended to use it on relatively smooth surfaces and avoid sharp objects that could damage the material. Whether you're camping in the mountains, hiking through the wilderness, or enjoying a weekend at the beach, this mattress offers a great balance of comfort and portability.